Hey guys, welcome back to Lemonhead Garage. Today we're going to be going over this new bike I just got. It's a 2018 Triumph Thruxton R, and there's a few things we got to fix on it, and I'm just going to do a walkthrough for the bike right now. So this is a 2018 Thruxton R. I picked this up maybe a week ago. It's in great condition. It only has 4,000 miles on it. There's a few things that it's missing. It's missing this rear peg right here. The previous owner did give me another set for the rear, and I'm just gonna switch that out. I'm gonna put some wheel chocks on it, just some random ones I picked on Amazon. I'm gonna add the spacers to the throttle because there's like a little play. It does have some of these CRG mirrors on it. They're actually quite useful, and they're a little hard to see out of. But other than that, the bike also has an exhaust. It's from Iron Cobras. This thing is dumb loud. It is a 2-in-1, so there's no pipe on the other side. It's all TIG welded. It's a beautiful exhaust in my opinion, but it's a little bit too loud. So we'll see if I ever end up changing that. This is a bike I want to keep for a while. I love it, I love riding it. This dash is super beautiful. All right, let's get started. The kit actually comes with a little, kind of like a Phillips head, and we can use that to take off the throttle. And then right next to that is going to be a normal Phillips. So there's going to be two different size spacers. One's going to go right here, and then one's going to go right on top.